Okay, come here. Let me see. Okay, hold on. Stop it. Say hi to the kids.
Hi, kids.
Doggy. Hey.
You just said.
What are you doing here?
Surprising you for your birthday. What do you think I'm doing here?
I don't know.
Mom, you want to say hi to Becca?
Where did you come from?
Becca!
Emily?
Slow down. Hi! When did you get here?
Today.
Oh, by the way, Mom, the birthday party on Wednesday ain't gonna work.
Okay.
We didn't let you in on a little secret.
Okay.
We already have something planned.
Guess what? I'm a different age.
No, Amy, so am I.
Yeah.
How did you get here?
I'm playing in a bus.
A plane and a bus by yourself?
Hello, Haley.
No.
By who?
Well, someone came with me.
Yeah.
With you.
Who?
Who came with you?